Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be looking at your recent past, your current energies and the immediate future. As these are general energies, general readings won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So let's see what's there for Librans. What's there for Librans? Okay, so we have the Queen of Cups, the Temperance, and the Six of Pentacles in the recent past. The current energies, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Strength, and the Three of Swords. Immediate future, King of Swords, the Eight of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, so as far as your recent past is concerned, we have the Queen of Cups, the Temperance, and the Six of Pentacles. So you have emotions for someone over here. You are emotional about a situation or a person, whosoever it is, and there is a need to restore a balance in this situation. You are trying to restore some sort of balance, maybe trying to have some sort of clarity in your mind, or looking for the ways and means to achieve balance in this situation. So I think either you are it is all about you thinking about it. It's not, I really don't see you communicating or discussing it with anyone. It is about a situation which you have a lot of emotions for, and you are just some sort of, it's to and fro, a juggling type of energy, weighing the pros and cons as to what to do, what not to do, should I, shouldn't I, type of a thing. And I think it is somehow you really want to restore balance. Maybe you are able to achieve some sort of a balance in this situation for some, after some sort of contemplations and all. I think you will be able to, you have been able to restore a balance in this situation. This is your recent past. As far as your current energies are concerned, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Strength, and the Three of Swords. So what I feel here is that still, even though according to you, you did achieve some sort of a balance in this situation, but I really don't think that you have successfully achieved that in entirety. Okay, so maybe whatever it was you were trying to balance has not actually been balanced. That's what, there is still that heartache on your side with the Three of Swords. You're really finding it hard to deal with. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Strength, and the Three of Swords. So whatever this situation is, which you were trying to balance since a long time, perhaps in this past energy, is talking about the somehow trying to balance it. Whatever it was, there were a lot of emotions, but perhaps you were not showing those emotions, and you were balancing this situation in some way, shape, or form. But what I feel is it's still there. With the Strength and the Three of Swords, I really don't think, I see you more or less in the same place. Perhaps can be a little more practical. Perhaps a little more practical can be. Maybe you were more emotional at some point in time. That's what I feel. From the Temperance, juggling in the cups, you restored the balance to the Pentacles. So maybe whatever balance you achieved was on some practical aspect, using your logic, can be that, or on some materialistic, or maybe you thought that was the best way to deal with it as far as your logic and practical sense was concerned. So it can be the balance which was achieved on a practical aspect, and emotions were to some extent put on the second option, or the practical aspect or the logical aspect perhaps won over the emotional aspect. So whatever the emotions were, because that at that time also, that's what I was feeling. It is a juggling between the cups, and the restoration of balance is coming out with the Pentacles. And here again, from the Queen of Cups is the Queen of Pentacles. So what I feel is, so on the practical grounds, you have achieved the balance. But maybe the emotions are still there, the heartache is still showing up over here in the present situation with the Three of Swords. The heartache is still there, but perhaps you have achieved balance on the practical aspects using your practical instincts or practical decision. Maybe some practical decision was taken over here, uh, and the things were sorted out for some reason. Whatever you thought was right, you did it. And here with the Queen of Pentacles, you still are in the same place, but perhaps again having a little more logical and a practical thinking perhaps. But what I feel here is, what I want to say is that feeling is still there, that pain is still there, that agony is still there of the emotions which you have not shown to this person. That's what I feel. So the emotions which have been put on the back burner and the practical aspect has taken up, but it is still causing pain and hurt to you. It's still causing pain and hurt to you. You are balancing it using a lot of strength because you are thinking logically about it. Okay, you are thinking practically, you are thinking logically about it, and that is how you are dealing with it. Though it's not easy for you, you're dealing with it with a lot of strength, and courage and willpower is being used to balance it. But what I feel is it's still there. It's still there. It is your logical aspect which is dominating. The practical aspect is dominating to deal with the situation. And then in the immediate future, we have the King of Swords, the Eight of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. So what I feel here is, we see, if we don't be gender specific, we have the cup, we have the Queen of Pentacles. So cups and pentacles and the swords, all the three have come up as far as the aspects are concerned. About emotions, the practical aspect, and here with the King of Swords necessarily, okay, so there is a heartache over here, and you have put your guards up. With the King of Swords, definitely you are not communicating, you're keeping things to yourself. That's what I feel. There is a very non-communicative and a very defensive type of an energy over here. So definitely you are not talking to this person, but you are very, very hurt, as we have seen in the current situation. But immediately what I feel is, in the near future, though there we have the King of Swords, but then we have the Eight of Wands and the Nine of Cups. So there is some communication definitely. Maybe with the King of Swords, you have the clarity as to know this is not the right way to deal with the situation. And it says it is still hurting you, still it is very, very agonizing. Maybe then the clarity which comes to your mind here is that you need to communicate. Okay, and then with swords, they talk about communication also. So maybe that is the clarity which comes to you, that okay, no, this is not the way, it won't be dealt with like this. I need to talk, I need to communicate, and that is what you do with the Eight of Wands and the Nine of Cups. And the moment you take the decision of communication, you are getting that wish fulfillment, you are getting your happiness. So wishes are being fulfilled, happiness is coming in, all your cups are full. So starting from the cups, ending with the cups. So what I feel here is, you are trying to balance the situation by a practical and the logical aspect, as the Librans do, trying to be more logical about things. But since it's just not happening, things are not working out, ultimately what I feel is that though you are not communicating as for now, but I think you will be doing it, because you will understand that that is what where your wish fulfillment lies, where your happiness lies, and you really need to talk about it. So let's see what is the guidance from this deck. What is the message from this deck for Libras? Okay, so this is the moon of this deck. So what I feel here is that yes, use your instincts. That's first of all, use your instincts. Things perhaps may not be very clear to you right now, things are not very clear, but just use your instincts. Things for the things to unfold, maybe you need to just follow your instinct. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Six of Emotion. What a wonderful experience for you. Your project is a total success, bringing awards, promotions, and other recognition of your efforts. Well done. If someone you can help you offers assistance, know that this person is heaven sent, and say yes. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.